is po kung kailan po ako nag-unboxing, dun po maingay lahat. Yung buong compound. Yung naglalaba sa likod, yung pinsan ko, may tumatahol pang aso, may nagbe-videoke ng good morning talaga. Hey guys, it's Al. Welcome back to another episode. So today we're gonna be unboxing something I'm very excited for, which is my new iPad Pro 2020. I bought this from gift store. It's 128 gig kasi mahal yung iba, OTG na lang, and Google Drive is the key, sis. So yun. So I've been holding on to this for a few days now kasi I waited for the case and the paper-like na screen protector. And sadly, wala pa yung screen protector. So, we're just gonna have to go on with the video kasi kailangan ko na siyang gamitin. Cause my printer it's dead, sis. Wala siya. So, I also got this case from Shopee. Yan. So, let's see if it's good quality. It's 500 pesos. With shipping na yon. Let's see. Okay, this is it. Okay. Ang ingay naman. Sis, quiet muna. Ang aga-aga. 7 pa lang, guys. Ang ingay. Tadaan! So, let's see. Shanan! It's here! Yes! Nakatakot siyang hawakan. This is... Ayokong hawakan, sis. Yan. So, syempre, yan siya. It was in the box. Then, we have here the manual, and then, of course, the charger, the adapter, and the cable. So, it's still... Oh. Type-C ba to? Hindi ko sure. Ito naman yung hirap-hirap hanapin. Pag nasira, yung mga tag 150 na lang dyan. Yan. Ooh. Well, yan. Okay. So, looks like I'm gonna have to buy an adapter because I don't have one for this one. Naririnig ba yung video ng kapitbahay? Ang aga-aga, sis. So, the manual, nobody reads it, pero let's just check it still. Oh, they have stickers. I didn't know that. They have a free sticker, I guess. Okay. So, let's start with the setup. Tada! Yes, hello! What's up, kababayan ko? Hola! Ang tagal. Okay, it's set up. So, tapos input yung Wi-Fi password and then, okay. Second years na po. Kasi, continue. Face ID. Continue. I'm gonna be setting up the Face ID. Slowly complete. Face ID now set up. Laura, stop scratching. This is my dog. Chanan! Yes, kung mukha siyang dugyutin, it's because she hasn't taken a bath in a week since may sakit siya and sabi ng vet, bawal. So, hilamos muna. Opo. Yung dila niya po ganyan talaga. Set up ako ng set up. Why? Oh. So, send siya ng verification code dito sa iPad. And so, setting up my Apple ID na. I think it's gonna sync. And so, it's finally ready to welcome me. Tagal nun ha. Tanan! And so, this is the interface of the Apple 2020. Yan siya. It also has the, you know, the mata camera. Yan. So, I'll download apps later. As of now. Yan. So, I think it's already starting to sync my past documents from iCloud. And so, it's updating. So, syempre, since medyo clumsy po tayo, lagyan natin ng case. It's from Shopee and it's the only color that I found that I like. So this one's called Icy Blue. And if you like this case, I'll try to leave the link down below. Ayan siya. Oh my god, I am in love with the color. Super nice. Okay, let's see if it fits. So it also has a slot for the Apple Pencil here. So can be used as a stand. So I think it's good quality. I think ang mali ko lang dito is that it's matte and for sure this surface is gonna get dirty really fast. So I'll take a week or so to get used to studying in this iPad and then maybe I'll make a video on the apps that I like and don't like. I'll try to download either GoodNotes or Notability. I'll try to buy either one of those two and let's see if it fits me. Because I still really like taking notes on an actual notebook. Since hindi naman pang calligraphy type ang aking handwriting, pang normal handwriting lang siya. Hindi siya aesthetic, ganon. So, yun. Okay, let's see if it works with the Apple Pencil. Yan, so let's see if it works. So, oh. So, it connects. Namamagnet naman siya. It's just that it doesn't really charge. Like, I don't know if you can see. See? Sabi niya, unable to connect. So, I think it's just good for holding it in place. Yan. Yan. Also, this is not mine. It's not mine. This is my cousin's since she also has the iPad Pro 2018. And she doesn't really use it often. Artist siya pero hindi niya ginagamit. I don't know why. I asked her if I can borrow it for a little bit pag hindi niya ginagamit for reviewing, and she said okay, sige lang. Ang ganon. Hey guys, yeah, sorry, I just have to correct what was on the video. Turns out it actually does work. So as you can see here, it's so yan, ulitin natin. Yan, as you can see, it's actually charging with this case, and it's pretty cool naman. So this is only worth 500 pesos, and the magnet works fine actually. Yeah. I don't really know if you find this video interesting at all, pero yun. Oh, I think it's starting to continue. Explore the whole tab, switch button. So nag-set up na siya nung Apple Pencil. Okay, let's try blue. Blue. Alo ba? Okay. Super drain siya, girl. So yun, I was going to review the Paperlike na screen protector since ang mahal na screen protector nun. Pero didn't arrive and I really need to use it na. So maybe if I can do another video with apps, I'll try to review it. Pero as of now, I have like a lot of requirements due this week, so I'll probably not have time to do any of that this week. Yun. Kita ba yung pagod sa mukha ko? Cause I'm tired. And it's only been like a few weeks. And it's second year is different, man. It's really different from first year. I don't know why, but it's like the fact that we're on online classes, it's like more tiring than before. It's taxing really as a med student since ang rest mo lang is when you go to bed, especially at home. So parang me and my cousin, we have a separate like place for studying for us both, and I think the moment we wake up, we wash our face, maligo, ganon, and then we're there from morning 8 a.m. up to madaling araw, and then same routine for the past few weeks. It's really tiring. Then, especially yung stress ko sa printer ko, mga sis. Pero yun, sana hopefully naman mabawasan neto. Apa, since hindi na ako magkakalkal ng printer para maayos siya, 'di ba? Nakakasar kasi. Si ISS nga, nakakaasar naman. Diyos ko. Yan lang. Sorry, biglang nag-rant, mga sis. So, that's it for my iPad unboxing. If you like this video, please give a like and subscribe to my channel kung bet nyo. Kung hindi, subscribe pa rin para friends tayo. Yan. Thank you guys. Bye!